Well, good afternoon, everybody. Here's a quick update as to what's going on. Is there still severe weather possible in the Ozarks? Yes, in a smaller area, I think. This feature on the loop that's moving through, maybe you can see kind of a pinwheel effect going on there. Let me draw that in for you. We have the kind of bands of clouds going like that, and another one like that. So there is a spin in the atmosphere right here moving through the Ozarks, left over from last night's rain and thunderstorms. Very common feature. And you want to watch these. Usually, if you're going to get development of severe storms or just general thunderstorms, you want to watch this area on this side of the pinwheel, kind of like this, for possible development. And that's exactly where I would highlight any possibilities for thunderstorms to kick up their heels to severe levels later on this afternoon. The numbers you see on here are plotted up are dew points, and they're running a little higher down in this area here, upper 60s. And if you look at temperatures too, they're running in the low 80s. So where the sun comes out, basically, where you see these patches here in the visible satellite image, you see some clearing here and some clearing here and here. So those are the areas that are making the air a little more unstable. So if I had to watch for unstable air and thunderstorms, I would do it generally today in an area shaped something like this. And that's what the Storm Prediction Center generally agrees with. They extended this area this way during the afternoon analysis. Another thing we can look at, we can actually look at unstable air. Let's take a look at not that, but we want to take a look at this. So we have basically the most unstable air is this area here that I'm hatching in. And again, it kind of goes with what I've been saying here. And if you look at another parameter, which one of these things, if you look for tornado development, for example, not great. The low-level winds are very weak, so I'm not really expecting a lot. But if I had to pinpoint an area, again, it would be this area right here that's grown a little bit over the last couple of hours. Let me draw that again. That's where some of the conditions are coming together, but it's way down in Arkansas. That might expand and grow a little bit through the afternoon hours to encompass more of an area like this, like I said. So basically the gist, if you haven't already caught it, is that if you live in northern Arkansas, northeastern Oklahoma, extreme southwest Missouri, and south central Missouri, those are the best areas for the potential for thunderstorms this afternoon. Also, just general rains are going to develop at the center of this thing here within the next couple of hours. Let me do one more thing and turn on the radar, and you can see there's already that kind of pinwheel effect going on with some of that like that, another one like that. So we'll be watching it here this afternoon to see what develops.